would like to say good morning to everyone. Okay, so very nice to meet you all. Okay, for now, I only know your name because I have a list here, but I would like to talk to everyone and we get to know each other. That's very important in training. Okay, and to about this Excel training, yes, we're going to have for 2 days, okay, today and tomorrow. And we have about 9 modules, okay. So today we will cover up to 5 modules, and tomorrow we will continue with another 4 modules. So altogether it's 9. All right, okay. So I have a tentative for today. Okay, so today's plan is as this. Okay, we already start at 9 o'clock. Okay, and it's going to be an introduction and ice breaking session. And then we continue with model 1, and then we have some group activities. Okay, so I really hope that everyone actively participate, because why? This is hands-on training. Okay, so by just listening in online, I'm very sure that you all have a very good breakfast and will be very sleepy. Okay, so I need active participation and also practice. Okay, and you have some presentation. Okay, Shami will arrange for the the group, so that you can work in the group, and then one person present. So I will brief you about that later. But now let's go to the ice breaking session. Okay, ice breaking session is this is what I have planned for ice breaking session. Okay, you have to come out with one emoji. Okay, one emoji is telling about reflecting yourself. Okay, reflecting yourself, and from that you can introduce yourself, and then what is your understanding about Excel, and for what you are using Excel. Okay, so I want you to tell me 4 things. Okay, 4 things. One is you have to come out with emoji. Okay, I've mentioned here any emoji explaining how that emoji is reflecting you. Okay, you have to tell that creatively. I will give you an example. Okay, and then with that you have to tell your background and your understanding and application of Excel, and will be very much added value if you are telling me what is your purpose, what is your expectation for this Excel training, so that at the end of the lesson I will highlight that and I will tell you, okay, this was your expectation and we reached the expectation. Okay, so I will start with me. Okay, everybody is joining. Very good, very good. Okay, I would like to start about giving an example and also telling about myself. Okay, so first I wanted to share this emoji. Okay, if you wanted to share emoji, you can go to the chat, and then if you go down there is emoji. Okay, so you can scroll down and then look which emoji is actually reflecting you. Okay, which one is reflecting you? You can go for more emoji, because the first circle is just the emoji recent one, which you always using. So maybe you cannot find your perfect emoji there. So go to the next one. Next circle is mentioned smileys. Okay, smileys. Okay, from there you can choose many emojis. Okay, so this is my emoji. Can everyone see my emoji? Okay, very good. All right. If can please everyone on the camera, because why? HRDF 75%. You have to show your attendance here. If you are doing online training, I can see your face. Yes, thank you, thank you. So I can see you, and I can see everyone physically. You are here. All right. Thank you, thank you. All right. So that is my emoji. Okay, when you're looking at my emoji, everyone thinks that this is called smirking, smirking. Smirking means showing that, so what? Yes, that you on the camera, but off your audio. Yeah, off your audio. Okay, good, good. Okay, so this is called a smirking emoji. Smirking emoji is, we think that, what? Because when you see here, when I'm smiling, I have a very much curve here at one side. So this emoji is really reflecting me because I have too much of curve here. Okay, so to explain about that, yes, actually this emoji is introduced to me by my students because I am teaching master students and also PhD students. So they will tell me, Miss, you are so much attached to this emoji. Okay, so that is about that. And to tell about my understanding about Excel, actually, I'm not IT background. IT background, I was from my bachelor's and master's is in HR. Okay, I did my bachelor's in human resource management, and then I worked in the HR department for 10 years. I worked in several organizations, manufacturing, service organization as a HR person. Then I got a scholarship to continue my master's in human resource development. I did all in public university. First was in second was in UPM. And then after I completed my master's, then I diverted my part as a lecturer. Then I teach master students, and currently I am doing PhD, so that I'm also attaching with research and analysis. So when I'm talking about research, that's where I get to know Excel. So when I was working in HR department, I use Excel, but not as at this level. Okay, so just to collect some data, just to I wanted to see some columns, so I'm using Excel. But now when I get into PhD, all my data that I've collected, I have to store it in Excel, and I wanted to see the reflection of the data. Okay, I wanted to see how many, what are the averages, what are the percentages. So many things I'm doing with that actually. So Excel actually is connected to SPSS. SPSS is a statistical tool where first you have to key in all the data in the Excel, then it can connect it to the SPSS. So SPSS is advanced level. So that's where I practices Excel, and then I become can say that I'm expert in Excel. So that I'm here to guide you all today for the intermediate level. Okay, so that is a briefing about me. Now I want you to come out with your emoji and then telling about yourself, your understanding of Excel, and what is your expectation for joining the training today. Ken, come on, Ken.
Yes, can.
All right, that's great. Okay, so I have a list here. Shall I go by the name? Is everyone ready? After eating breakfast, everyone ready? If we have a physical training, so that we can see that, yeah, everyone is here. But online, okay, that is the challenging part, but we can make this really happen. Okay, so come on. Um, you wanted to go by introducing yourself, or you want me to call your names? Call by names, so that everyone can give an alarm call, Okay, we start with Suhaimi. Shahrir Suhaimi is here. Oh, okay. No, that one is not a stop. Okay. Amri, ID Amri, ID Amri here. Okay, ID Amri is not here. Maizatu, Maizatu.
Saya.
Wow, very great to hear. Can I see you, Maizatu? Yay! There you are. Okay, so you have selected your emoji. Yes, Maizatu. Okay, I think something wrong with Maisatul. We have Jensen here. Okay, can we start with Mr. Jensen?
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Jensen here. What you want to know more about me?
I know you can just start with that, because going for emoji, I think it take time. Okay, just introduce yourself and then your understanding about Excel, and what is your expectation for the training today?
What my understanding for Excel? I think I did not went for any course for Excel. Just that during my uni time, I did learn some basic quite basic. So my expectation for these classes, hopefully I can know all those formulas, how to do the chart, those pi, all those. That's all, I think.
All right. Okay, so what is your expectation? What you think that after the training you wanted to learn something, right? What will be that?
Hopefully I can skill up my Excel.
Okay, that's great. Actually, Mr. Jensen, your name is Mr. Jensen.
Yong
You
Kok
have
Sing.
okay, your Coxing. Right. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Jensen.
Okay, welcome.
Okay. So we have Fadzila here. Miss Fadzila. Hi. Hey, cannot hear you. Please on the audio. Yeah, can on the audio like a mic there.
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Fazila from Sales Department.
Okay.
Okay, you can call me Ila because everyone here know me as Ila. I'm from HQ.
Okay.
Okay, my understanding on the Excel, I use Excel every day for my daily report. But I think my skill not really good on the Excel because I only know the basic and some of the few formulas from other colleagues, from other friends. So my expectation from this course, maybe I can know more about the formula, know how to do the simple analysis, and maybe a better chart for easy for other people to understand of our reports.
All right. That's good. Yeah, very you're on the right track. Okay, your purpose really meet our learning outcome. Thank you, Ila.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, so anybody else? We have Shahid here. Shahid? Mr. Shahid, can you hear me?
Yes. Sorry.
Hey, hi.
Hi. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shahril. I'm from IT department.
Wait, we have
So,
IT person here.
uh, from this training, I hope I can sharpen my skill in Excel because in daily we are using Excel as well. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shahir. So you're an IT person, so we have an observer here. Okay, so actually we have just now the one talking is Shari Anwar, is it? Muhammad Shari Anwar, is it?
Yes, Shahrir. No. That was Shahrir.
Okay.
Mr. Shahril Anwar also got.
Okay. So can
Mm.
we have Mr. Shari Anwar? Nur Shawani. Can we have Nur Shawani?
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Okay, I'm Wani from Operation Department.
Okay.
Okay, Excel mostly I use for my daily report. So I joined this training is to gain my knowledge in Excel.
Okay. You know what? Everybody is miss one part, you know. I said that if you wanted to share with emoji so that we can have some fun introduction. Now it's going like very formal. Okay, maybe we can start with Lim Suk Hui. We have Mr. Lim.
Hi. Yes, I'm Trisha here.
Hi, hi.
Hi. Can
Sorry.
you hear me?
Yeah, Miss Lim, is it?
Yes.
Miss Trisha.
Yeah. My name is Trisha. I'm from
Okay.
the sales department. So, and then today, why I want to join this training because actually you need to know more about the Excel, especially on the formula. Uh, mm, yeah, that's it.
Haha, very nice to meet you, Miss
Mm.
Trisha. Surely you learn about formulas. We have a
Mm-mm.
multiple formula. All
Yes.
right. Okay. Very nice to meet you. Okay. So can we have Yong YC? Yong, Miss or Mr. Yong YC?
Hi, Miss.
Hey, hi.
Miss
Miss.
Young. I'm
Yeah,
YC
Miss
here.
Young.
Just call me YC will do, yeah.
YC, YC. All right. Wow, I can hear, I can see emojis here. Okay, Miss YC, what about your emoji?
Hold on, yeah.
What type of person or what emoji can reflect you? Wow, pleasant, pleasant, huh? Okay, so you are from where and what is your expectation?
Yeah, YC here from HQ. I'm actually from sales department. So hopefully this training can get me gain more the knowledge in doing my report lah, in preparing the Excel.
Okay, okay, surely, surely you're on the right track. Okay, thank you so much, YC.
Thanks.
Hey. Okay, so can we have Cheong Chek Wen? Cheong Chek Wen is here?
Yeah, Miss Mandy Chong,
Oh,
are you here? Just now she was like, I'm not sure if she's still here. Uh, yeah, I think yeah, her name is still here, Miss Mandy Chong.
okay, Miss Mandy.
Mm,
Miss Mandy. Okay, we just wait
Chong.
for Miss
Mm,
Mandy.
mm,
Meanwhile,
mm.
can we have Fatin Nabiha? Fatin Nabiha there. Come on, show up. Your fresh faces. Mira ada? Miss Mira? Cantik, nama glamour. Ada? Mira?
Miss Mira not in yet.
Okay.
Not in yet.
Okay, so what about Alvin?
Elvin, Elvin Elvin with an E.
Alvin Phua Kok Wei.
Okay.
Ada?
Elvin, you there?
One person raise hand.
There, Fatin.
Fatin? Come on, Fatin. Wanted to hear your on your mic and talk to me. Fatin? Miss Fatin, ada? Oh,
Yeah, actually she opened the mic already, but we cannot hear.
oh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. So you just can type it. I mean, you can post your emoji here and then you type in your background and also what is your expectation from this Excel training. Okay, so that we can read it. I can read for everyone. Um, we have Huda here. Huda. Hi, good morning, Huda. Huda, can hear me? Okay, Huda just join. Kita bagi masa sikit untuk Huda. Macam mana dengan um, Maizatul? Maizatul ada? Ada?
Maizatu just now was Ima.
Oh,
I think she has, Yeah, I think you asked Ima already on Maizatul.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Muhammad Fazil ada? Muhammad Fazil? Mr. Fazil? Guys, we are on ice breaking session, you know. We have to break the ice. But now getting cold here. I thought that we have about 25 participants here. So I just planned for 1 hour for ice breaking. Because usually if we have a physical one, we give some activity. You know, ice breaking is really make you feel hot already. Come on, come on. Okay, if anybody already here, where I just don't wait for me to on. Huda, yeah, Huda.
Tapi akak
Hi,
lawak kan
good
tak
morning.
dengar dia panggil akak. Dah kuat ni. Oh,
He
speaker
can hear you.
Oh, kak. Tak dengar.
Huda have some technical problem. She's using sign language. Okay. Okay, so if anyone is already here, please you just on and you can talk. Because many have some issues, technical issues. We having this phobia from 2019. The phobia of technical issues, line issue. Okay, before that we don't have all these words. All these words is started after 2009, where we have lockdown and corona and all that. So until now we have all these issues. Okay. Okay, so let me show you our tentative here. Okay, so we are nearing here. Okay, many is having issues and all. Please, if you are already here, if you cannot on the mic or anything, please type here. Type and tell that at least I should know about you. Okay, please type here. Okay, so I still can look into your messages and I can come out with that. Okay, very importantly, it's not like just ask you to talk, or it's actually I wanted to know what is your expectation, so that at the end, because I already planned, I already have all the slides for you, I already prepared. But if I know your expectation, I can add. So at the end of the session, so that your expectation will be met. Okay, so that's the reason I wanted to know what is your expectation. And of course, I wanted to know where you come from, so that I can give the examples relevant to you, so that you will get idea, okay, I can apply it like this. Okay, so that is the reason for this session. Okay, if you're looking into our tentative today, okay, we are nearing now. Okay, it's going to be 9:30. Okay, so introduction and ice breaking. So let's start with module 1. Any question before we starting with module 1? Anyone just join, or you wanted to ask any questions? You wanted to ask why we only have a lunch break? Why don't we have a tea break? Anyone have the question? Anyone? No? So any question you can ask now before we start with module 1.
Priya, if you don't
Yes.
mind, because we have some names that are not in the attendance list, like Hidayati, like Yat. Yat has been here since just now, since the start, but her name is not in the attendance list. So later when Miss Priya is assigning everyone to their own group, if your name is not called, then just let us know, then we can add into the list. Okay?
Yeah.
That's all, Priya. Thank you.
All right. Okay, it's very important, because why? Um, Today is a training day where you are here and your participation is very important. Okay, because of course you all are listening. I know you all are listening. Okay, you have some technical issues, technical errors is happening. We can overcome that. Okay, but not up to lunch hour. I cannot see you. I cannot see you participating. No any messages, or you're not owning your camera, or you're not talking anything. Okay, so that actually, because the session is recorded. Okay, so we wanted to claim, of course, your participation is required. So please understand that, and you have to on your camera, you have to message me, you have to participate. Okay, you have to participate, and later, after module 1, we're going to have a group activity. We are going to have a group activity. Okay, so your participation there is very, very important, because it is the group is full, because 5% in one group, and I'm going to have 5 activity. Okay, one person take in charge. Of course, it's a group activity. Okay, everyone need to work together, but everyone cannot type at one time, right? Because if we share in Google Drive, everyone can go and type, but that can become mess, because the server is down, and sometimes it's not responding. Okay, so all this mess can happen. So that's why one person take in charge for one activity, where others also participate and giving ideas to complete a work. So that one person take lead, will present the work. So everybody need to present. And the next activity, another person take in charge. Okay, so that's how. So your participation, for example, one activity, your lining error and all, you have some technical error and all. So next activity, you must join. Okay, I really hope that you understand, okay, the importance and essentials of this training. Okay, all right. Hi, my name is Huda. I'm from Operation Department. I want to improve my Excel skills, and this training will help me in terms of my job related. I'm using Atika's laptop. Still, Atika is helping you, Huda.
Ping me.
Okay. Hey, can hear you now? Oh, yeah, in Atika's.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm using Atika laptop.
Okay. All right. At least I can see your face. Or maybe Atika and Huda sit together. Okay, also
Yeah,
can.
I sit together with Atika.
Yeah. So I can see both of your faces. Okay, thank you. All right. So, Huda, my gratitude goes to Huda, because she really tried hard and somehow she find the way, and now she's online, and I can see, and she's participating. Very good. I'm Agnes. Agnes is Fu Wei Fun. Okay, Agnes. Miss Agnes. Okay, I hail from LC HQ and work as a designer. Wow. My experience primarily lies in utilizing PowerPoint as opposed to Excel. Yes. However, I have recently ventured into using Excel for commissioning related tasks. Okay. I'm seeking comprehensive knowledge of all the formulas and fundamental aspects that Excel has to offer. Okay. And I'm eager to learn about the various possibilities in presence for enhancing my skills. Wow, that's good, Agnes. Of course, okay, you are on the right seat now. Okay, of course, we're going to learn about Excel. We start with basic. Basic is not basic. Okay, every module we have the intermediate level, so that we started from there. And then, of course, I cannot go for the advanced level, but I will show some tricks. Very easy one, but that comes under advanced level. Okay. All right. So let's restart. Okay. So I think we are nearing the time. All right. Thank you, Agnes. Okay. So so any other questions before we starting with module 1? Because when get into module 1, we are going to do the slides, and also I'm going to show that in Excel. Okay. So any questions? No questions? If no question, everyone put your hands up. Kita buat terbalik ya. Ada soalan baru angkat tangan kan? Ini terbalik. So we see how many people are raising their hand and how many are listening to me. 12. Participant kita 25 15. Lagi 10. Come on. 16 people raise. 17, 18. Come on, come on. Huh. 18. Okay, so I will take note of that. By 9:35, we have 18 participants active. Okay. All right. Okay, 19. Okay, keep doing it, keep doing it. I'm observing. Okay, so let's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Lagi 4. Okay, so we start with our module 1. Okay, so this is the learning outcome for overall, okay, overall of this Excel program, where you'll understand the basic spreadsheet concept. Okay, so we have a sheet and also we have a book. Okay, so we will understand that, and then basic formulas, format of worksheets. Okay, multiple worksheets, create bar, line and pie charts, create drawings, picture and objects, print worksheets and graphs. So this is the overall learning outcome for our session, okay, today and tomorrow. Okay, so we start with introduction. Okay, introduction, I would like to tell you about Microsoft Excel. Okay, Microsoft Excel, where if you are looking into Microsoft Excel, that's full of columns, right? Columns and rows. Okay, that is Microsoft Excel. It's a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft Corporation. Okay, first was introduced in 1985. Okay, when you're looking into Microsoft Office, we have PowerPoint and we have Word and we have Excel and all that. But this Excel was introduced by 1985. And Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet, it's very powerful. Why I'm saying it's powerful? Because that can do wonders. It's just you don't know. If you don't know, yes, you feel like, okay, just key in the data. Only that is your understanding. But if you know how to use Excel, that can do wonders. That really make you feel very, very happy, and also reduce your working hours. Okay, so every year, Microsoft Excel, they are updating their Excel, the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office, every year they are updating, okay, in terms of their function, the formulas, into of the charts. Okay, they are adding more charts. Okay, every year this is happening. Okay, and advanced Microsoft Excel has over its rivalries in an interesting user interface. They have graphics. Okay. So when you're looking into here, so okay, next slide. Okay, so this is the release version. Okay, kalau you tengok kat sini, ada banyak, start daripada 1985 sampai sekarang. Okay, the updated version, the last version is Microsoft 365. Okay, tapi yang intermediate level ni yang kita nak belajar hari ni dengan besok adalah Excel 2019. Okay, Excel 2019. Okay, everyone listen. Is everyone listening? Thumbs up. Okay, is everyone listening? Please thumbs up. Okay. Okay, good. If later on when we open the Excel sheet, everyone is going to open your Excel sheet. Okay, everyone going to open your Excel sheet. When I say open your Excel sheet, open your Excel sheet. Your personal Excel sheet, don't open the Excel sheet that we share. When I say open your Excel sheet, you are going to open your Excel sheet that you always practice. Okay, and then we're going to see that is what is the version. Okay, but because now we're going to learn about Excel 2019. Okay, the feature can be different. Maybe if you are using Excel 2013, maybe you don't have some features, but that's not an issue. Okay, 2019, almost they will have all the features. Okay, so these are the versions that we have in Excel. Let's go to the next one. Okay, how Excel can be valuable tool in your role. Actually, yang ni adalah example yang 0.005 sahaja. Okay, very little example that I give. Actually, Excel boleh buat banyak lagi. Okay, shipment tracking. Okay, I just find something relevant to your task. Okay, but I observe that some is from operation department, some is from finance department, and ada yang juga IT. Okay, so maybe yang ni yang saya ambil adalah relevant to your field. Okay, shipment tracking. Track and manage the movement of packages, record shipment dates, time and location, prepare reports on package delivery status. Okay, ada banyak yang kata, okay, what is your expectation of the training? You said you wanted to prepare the report. Kan? So, Excel will be very much helpful for you to prepare your report. Okay, not only report, report is like not only in the number or in the word. Okay, in the bar format, in the chart format, okay, that will be helpful. Next, let's do the delivery routes optimization. Okay, delivery. Okay, you have to plan. Okay, dengan Excel, you boleh plan you punya delivery, and then you can plan your package inventory, customer information management. Okay, all the customer details, and then siapa yang active, what are the information. Okay, everything. It's very easy if you have the Excel. Okay, the Excel knowledge. Billing and invoicing. Okay, performance analytics. Okay, kalau kita ada HR kat sini, okay, for your performance analytics, Excel will be very, very much helpful. Because I understand that many organizations, they have system for performance evaluation or performance management for their employees. Okay, they have like internally, mereka ada satu sistem. Okay, di mana pekerja-pekerja mereka boleh masuk dalam sistem tu, mereka boleh membuat penilaian diri sendiri. Kita ada KPI kan? Okay, every year kita ada KPI. Okay, so I understand that you have your system and you can do. But if your company don't have a system, here you have Excel. Excel is a wonderful tool to do the performance evaluation, performance analytics of the employee. Not only performance, analysis of the employee. You can monitor of anything. For example, you are monitoring your customers. Okay, performance of the subordinates. Okay, employee scheduling. Employee scheduling, yes, that will be very much helpful. Okay, for employee scheduling. Buat satu schedule, like for example, ada yang masuk pukul berapa, ada yang keluar berapa. Okay, you are doing some scheduling in terms of time, in terms of their performance, in terms of their task. Okay, so you can use Excel. Vehicle maintenance. This is very, very important. Okay, why I said very, very important? Because they have Rotex, insurance, expiry date, you're not observing, and then Rotex dah habis dah. Okay, and then you get penalty and all that. Okay, so Excel will help you to monitor vehicle maintenance and also the Rotex and all that. Okay, supplier and vendor management. You also can use Excel. Customer feedback and service. I'm telling you, customer feedback and service, you really enjoy working in Excel in monitoring feedback and service of customers. Okay, because every weekly, you can come out with, okay, who is the best performer? Best kan? Kalau buat end of the year, baru dia bagi tahu, okay, this is the employee, dia perform very well. And then you rasa macam, saya pun perform juga. Kenapa bukan saya? So, what about every week? It's very simple. You just have to key in the data and then the system will tell you customers' feedback and survey says that this employee is very good. You will be motivated kan? Okay, motivated. Next week, you nak buat lagi. Next week, you nak buat lagi. Okay, end of the week, best employee. Okay, so Excel can help you with that. Safety, compliance and tracking. Okay, I strongly believe that in your organization, you are the occupational safety and health team, bawah HR department. Okay, so they will give you some trainings on OSH, and then sometimes you have to use the safety PPE, personal protective equipment like mask, safety gloves and all. So it's very easy to track. Okay, berapa yang ada, berapa yang dah habis. Okay, how much we spend for this month. Okay, so Excel will be helpful. Emergency response plan. Okay, emergency response plans. Yes, Excel will be helpful in preparing emergency responses, okay, unexpected situation, what happened, and what are the emergency contact number, okay, so easy to track, okay, easy to track details, protocols, and resources, okay. So these are the, whatever that I'm saying, it is all 0.005% that Excel can do. Okay, so ada banyak lagi yang Excel can do yang saya tak mention kat sini. Okay, faham? Everyone is following me? Everyone? Jangan.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Please don't give me the feeling of I'm talking to myself. If can, please on your camera so that I can see you. So that I can see, okay, okay, I can see Huda, I can see Atika, I can see. Come on. All right. Thank you, Tricia. Okay, so this is learning outcome of module 1. Okay, so we are going to get into module 1. Okay, so right on time. As we plan our tentative, we are right on time to starting module 1. Okay, at the end of this module, participants able to identify, understand, and explain about Excel interface, okay, about the ribbon, tabs, quick access toolbar, data entry, common shortcut keys, autofill, flash fill, creating custom list. Okay, mungkin you are using that, okay, tool ni yang saya kata ni, function ni, maybe you using, but you don't know the name. When I'm saying ribbon, you don't know what is ribbon, what is tab. Maybe you don't know, but when I'm showing you, you will know that, oh, I'm using this. Saya dah guna dah, tapi namanya saya tak tahu. Okay, so today we're going to learn that. Okay, so when you are looking into your, please open your Excel sheet. Everyone, please open your Excel sheet yang selalunya you buat. Everyone, please open your Excel sheet yang selalunya you buat. Okay. I believe that you also can share, you know. Okay, when you say that, saya punya Excel ni tak nampak macam ni. Dia nampak macam lain. Okay, dia ada banyak lagi, dia ada kolom-kolom, box-box kecil ni ada banyak. Saya tak nampak macam ni. If you feel as that, please raise your hand. Kalau you rasa Excel saya ni, Excel sheet yang saya buka ni, dia tak nampak macam ni. Dia ada banyak box-box kecil-kecil tu. Dekat atas tu file, bawah dia ada banyak kecil-kecil. Boxnya banyak. Saya nampak different. Please raise up your hand. Kalau you nampak yang sama macam ni, you put thumbs up. Kalau you nampak sama macam ni, thumbs up. Oh, 10 people raise. Good. Okay, Trisha thumbs up. 11 raise hand. So dia tak nampak macam ni Okay. So if you scroll, okay, if you scroll your Excel sheet, okay, left to right, dia ada, okay, yang ni dia panggil sebagai, dia ada column, okay, and then dia ada row. Okay, row ni adalah yang ni. Okay, daripada 1, A, B, C, yang ni semua adalah row. Bawah, turun bawah tu column. Okay, B semua tu column. So kita ada banyak rows and column. Okay, so when key in data, kita ada banyak data. Okay, so that's why we have to learn the skills how to deal with this big data. Okay. Where to find ribbon pane? Okay, ribbon pane is, kita ada beberapa ribbon. Okay, let me share with you my Excel sheet. Okay, so this is my Excel sheet. Okay, kalau you tengok kat sini, okay, kita ada file, home, insert, page layout, formulas. Okay, yang ni adalah tab. Yang ni adalah tab. Masa kalau saya kata, okay, go to tab file. Okay, so tab file kat sini. Tab page layout kat sini. Tab formulas kat sini. So yang ni semua adalah tab. Apa tu ribbon? Okay, when kalau masa saya letak home, dekat sini kita ada foreigners ke? Do we have foreigners yang tak faham bahasa? Ada? Yes, no? Hello? Semua sudah hilang. No, Atika, no foreigner. Okay, good. Okay, so we have all Malaysians, so kita boleh campur-campur. Okay, so when you look into home, okay, when I press home, bawah dia tu ada paste, okay, kita ada clipboard, kita ada font, kita ada alignment. Ini semua adalah ribbon. Okay, semua ni adalah ribbon. All this is called ribbon. Okay, so this is a tab ribbon. Tab ribbon is file, home, insert. Yang ni adalah tab ribbon. Yang ni adalah dia punya group ribbon. Group ribbon, group. Okay. Next is dialog launcher. Okay, I already shared the slides video. Okay, you can refer to the slides. Sebab saya tak boleh nak tunjuk slides dengan Excel dalam masa yang sama. Okay, tapi you boleh buka kan? Okay, you can open your slides and also Excel together in your computer. So you can refer to that slides yang I dah share. So next one is the dialog launcher. Where you can find the dialog launcher? Okay, you see here. Okay, so this is dialog launcher. Okay, and this is a command button. This is the group ribbon. Okay, yang ni semua adalah group ribbon. And atas tu tab ribbon. Semua ni adalah tab ribbon. Okay, so this is a dialog launcher. And this is a command button. Okay, so let's go to the next one. How your Excel interface look like? Tadi saya kata, you punya Excel sheet ni dia nampak tak macam ni? Okay, nampak macam ni ke? Atau nampak banyak box-box kecil macam ni? Ataupun tak nampak apa-apa? Macam ni, plain. Okay, saya letak nombor Nombor 1, yang atas ni, nombor 2. This is the second one and this is the third one. Please come to the chat box. Okay, and then mention your Excel interface looking like which number? Number 1, number 2 or number 3? I can see many are saying number 3. Okay, anybody see like number 2? Very important, you know. Kalau you nampak macam yang nombor 2 ni, I will teach you the technique so that you can go and on the button. Nanti boleh nampak semua ribbon bawah ni. Sebab we have to use that functions today. Okay, so kalau you tak find out sekarang, nanti kita dah pergi tentang formula semua, baru kata, Priya, saya tak nampak yang ni lah, saya tak nampak yang tu. Then I'll find out that masa yang pertama tu, you are not here. Okay, so please check now. Your interface, Excel interface, okay, nampak macam nombor 1 ke, nombor 2 ke, nombor 3. Okay, good. All are responding. Okay, very good. Okay, so if you are going to Excel, okay, let me show Excel. Okay. Okay, so dekat sini you nampak tak tool ni? Ribbon display option. Nampak? Semua nampak? Kalau nampak, thumbs up. Susah lah trainer ni. Dia kata nak thumbs up lah, ni lah, tu lah. Memanglah saya nak respon. Kalau tak, saya tengok diri saya saja. Okay, so you press that one. Okay, tengok auto hide ribbon. Kalau you tekan yang tu, semua sudah hilang. Jadi macam nombor 1. Okay, you go back again. Okay, try. You try. Show tabs. Yang ni macam nombor 2. And then you go again. Alah. You go again. Show tabs and command. Ini yang kita nak. Okay, we want this one. So everybody change to number 3. Everyone change to number 3. Because we have to use all the formats. We have to work with the dialog box. We have to work with the launcher. Okay, so everybody change to number 3. Done? Okay, so I understand that everyone is done. If you go to the next one, okay, if you go to the next slides. Okay, you see here, the next one is navigation tips and common shortcut. Okay, dekat dalam Excel ni kita ada banyak shortcut. Okay, kalau tak ada mouse, boleh tak kita gunakan komputer? Boleh. Dengan touchscreen ke? No. With shortcut. Okay, so all this is a shortcut. Okay, so if your mouse is not working, but you still wanted to use Excel or other or Microsoft Office or what, you still can use with the shortcut key. But the thing is, kita tak selalunya pakai. So we are not expert in that. Okay, like Shift C, I know Shift C is copy. Shift V is paste. I know that. Okay, so yang lain tu macam mana? Yang lain tu, nak buka Excel pun kita ada shortcut. You see here, Control plus W can be used to exit a workbook. Okay, you nak tutup Excel tu, you boleh gunakan yang tu. To open, Control O. Okay, so you have to you have to get to know about the shortcut key so that it's very fast, you know, because using your mouse from one place to another place, yes, that take a little bit of time, but by using two hands, okay, one is yes moving your cursor, but another hand is working with the shortcuts. You can make things very fast. Okay, so this one will never dekat macam you know read saja memang tak jadi. Okay, you have to practice. Start with one key. Every day, okay, I'm applying one key or two key. And then in a week time, you will become expert, okay, in practicing the shortcut. All right? Okay, so that is one. Next, shortcut menus. Okay, shortcut menus. What is shortcut menus? Kalau you pergi mana-mana cell, okay, mana-mana, you letak mana-mana, you just right click. Right click, boleh nampak tak kat shortcut menus ni? Boleh nampak? Everyone? Siapa yang letak kat cell, right click, tapi tak nampak yang ni? Tak nampak. Right click okay, right click, not the normal click, right click. Okay, boleh nampak yang ni shortcut menus. Okay, so selalunya kita pakai yang ni kan. Kalau kita nak copy ke, paste ke, okay, selalunya kita pakai yang ni. Okay, right click, shortcut menus, kita copy, right click, kita paste. Kan? Okay, so this is usually we apply that. Quick access toolbar. Yang ni very important. Why I'm saying very important? Because kita ada activity nanti. Kalau you tak faham quick access toolbar, nanti activity tu tak boleh buat. So please ask me question. Okay, please ask me question. Quick access toolbar is a convenient place to add your favorite command. Okay, let me show you. You go to your Excel sheet. Okay, everybody get your Excel sheet. Okay. Okay, so just now I said the right click, this is the shortcut toolbar. I mean the shortcut menu. Now, apa tu quick access toolbar? And then dia kata, kalau you nak favorite command, mana ada saya ada favorite command? Yang Excel ni saya pakai je lah, yang ada apa kat sini. Yang ni semua adalah command tau. Cut, copy, format, bold, yang ni underline, coloring, filling. Yang ni semua adalah command. Semua ni adalah command. Mana saya ada favorite? Kenapa saya nak favorite? Mana nak cari? This is quick access toolbar. Okay. So where you can find quick access toolbar, you go to here. Can you see here? Can everybody see this button? Click this button. Okay, click that button. Can you see this? More commands. More commands. Go to more commands. Okay. And then you can see here, there are many more commands yang tak ada dalam ribbon ni. Okay, ada banyak lagi command-command ni yang tak ada dalam ribbon ni. Yang you boleh letak dalam ribbon. For example, you selalunya guna card ada, copy ada. Yang ni selalu you gunakan. Okay, you nak letak border. Tengok border dah ada. Okay, kita add. Okay, kalau you nak add, you letak sini. Okay. Tengok, dah ada kat sini. Senang. Okay, apa-apa yang you nak selalunya you guna. Okay, selalunya you guna command-command yang copy, paste, yang save in file. Okay, yang ni, navigation ni you tak pernah gunakan. Siapa-siapa pernah guna navigation? Siapa-siapa? Ada? Yang ni? Workbook views? Pernah? Ataupun yang ni? Show. Okay, so you tak nak kan? Okay, you tak nak. So what you can do? Right click. Okay, right click. Remove from quick access toolbar. Remove. Yang tu dah hilang. So that is quick access toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar ni, you kena pergi sini. Okay, tekan kat yang icon kecil ni. And then you can go to more command. Okay, and then from here, you can choose whatever command you want. Freezing pane, okay, inserting cells. Nanti kita dah habis belajar hari ni, you akan kenal lagi banyak command lagi. Sekarang memang tak kenal lah. Okay, banyak yang ni inserting role, inserting column ni apa Okay, inserting function. Okay, yang ni semua apa? Okay, so nanti lepas kita dah belajar, then you can have all this command here. Okay, shapes. Tengok dekat sini, shapes ni tak ada. Okay, you nak shapes. What you have to do, tekan shape, add. Okay, ni kita dah ada shapes kat sini. So dekat sini, you nak buat shape. Okay, you nak buat arrow. You nak show. Arrow. See? So bawa shape ni, kita ada shapes, kita ada arrow, kita ada line. Okay, kita ada equation shape. Okay, kita ada stars, banners. Semua ni boleh pakai. Okay. So that is quick access toolbar. Any questions about quick access toolbar? So macam mana nak tambahkan command, okay, dalam quick access toolbar? Customize quick access toolbar ni, tekan sini, more commands, and then you can choose any commands you want here, and then just add. Kalau dah add tu, dia pergi box ni. Dia masuk dalam box ni. Kalau you tak nak, okay, shape saya tak nak. Okay, remove. Dia masuk balik ke sini. And then, okay. Another one that I wanted to show here under quick access toolbar is show above ribbon. What is show above ribbon? Okay, tekan show above ribbon. Tengok, tadi kan kita ada satu kolom kat sini kan? Okay, dia naik pergi atas ni. Okay, yang ribbon tu, okay, ribbon yang ada kat bawah tu, dia naik, dia pergi atas ni. Okay, kalau you rasa you punya quick access toolbar tu senang kalau you nak ada kat atas. You tak perlu tengok bawah-bawah sini, dan naik atas. Kalau you nak turun bawah, tekan kat sini, tekan show below the ribbon. Ni, kalau you rasa, if you feel that, oh, why I have to go up and see everything, I just want near, then you can go near here. Okay, so that is quick access toolbar and adding and removing your commands. Okay, any questions? Ada soalan? No?
No question.
excited tau kalau dengar masa kita ada kat satu gua in a cave, and then we feel like we are alone, and I'm hearing that somebody is there lighting up. Okay, please on the camera if you can, and then please talk to me. Okay, next let's we go to after quick access toolbar ni. If you are referring to the what you call slides, okay, display or hide the quick access toolbar. Okay, saya dah tunjukkan yang ni, and then adjusting the positioning yang saya tunjukkan, naik atas dengan turun bawah, yes, yang tu pun dah. And then to add, delete, rearrange command in quick access toolbar. Okay, so yang ni saya kata you boleh remove, you boleh add quick access toolbar, I mean command in quick access toolbar. Okay, let's go and see this. Okay. Okay. So ini yang kita selalunya buat ke Excel. Okay. What is yang kotak ni? Okay, kotak yang kita gunakan ni. Okay. Yang ni adalah cell. Okay, yang ni adalah cell. Cell ni ada nama. Setiap cell, tadi kan saya tunjuk berapa kotak, berapa kolom dengan berapa row yang kita ada dalam Excel. Setiap cell tu dia ada nama dia. Okay, apa nama dia? Yang ni saya tekan kat sini. Okay, yang ni adalah B3. B3. Tu cell, name cell, nama cell tu ada kat atas tu. B3. Yang ni adalah B3. Okay. So kalau you turun bawah, okay, yang tu become B4. Okay, cell tu ada nama. Kalau kita highlight, kan sometimes kita highlight kan dalam Excel. Okay, yang ni kalau kita highlight few columns dengan row, yang tu kita panggil sebagai range. Okay, we call that as range. Range pun ada nama. Okay, what is the range name? Range B3, B7. Where is B3? B kat sini. Okay, 3 kat sini. Dia start daripada sini sampai dia turun bawah. D7. Okay, D7. So, this is the cell name. This is the range name. Data entry, text, number, date. Okay, in Excel, it is, Excel ni dia macam kawan kita tau. Okay, Excel ni kawan kita. Kenapa? Sebab you dah letak nama, for example, David is. Okay, you nak buat satu ayat ke apa. Okay, the next one, you letak D je, dia akan bagi, okay, David is what. Okay, dia akan bagi, dia akan bantu kamu. Okay, and then, yang ni pun sama. Jan, Feb. You nak sampai December, you just have to drag. Okay, and then, kalau daripada sel ni, okay, daripada B, kita pergi C, yang tu kita tekan shift. Ini auto shortcut dah, shortcut. You just letak shift, you tekan shift, yang tu akan pergi the next one. Kalau you nak pergi bawah, okay, B2, you nak pergi B3. Just enter. So, cursor akan turun bawah. Okay, and then next one is the date. Date ni kita ada format. Okay, sebab sometimes kita letak date 17th May 2023. Kita tulis, May tu kita tulis. Sometimes kita letak 03 stroke 08 stroke 2028. Yang tu adalah just number saja. So, kita boleh letak format. And then the time. Kalau you letak 10, okay, and then you letak yang column tu, you letak time. So, dia akan, it just come as time format. Okay. Let's retry. Okay, so go to your Excel sheet. Okay, or you can use the Excel sheet that I share. Okay, boleh. Okay, so quick input with Excel sheet. What is this? So this is what I said. This is a cell name. Sekarang cell name dia nama apa? E22. E datang daripada ni, column, and then is in the 22 row. So this is the cell name. Now I wanted to choose a range. Okay, it starts from E20 to J29. Okay, so that is the range. Now, you wanted to do, for example, like this. Okay, ni dah ada nombor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, daripada sini, saya nak sambung. So, yang ni very simple lah. I think you already know. Okay, macam mana nak buat macam ni? Okay, kalau macam ni, you dah tahu dah. Okay, kalau daripada sini, Thursday, Friday, I just, okay, drag. Okay, I will know. Saturday, Sunday, I continuously saya dah tahu. Tapi macam mana nak buat macam ni? Okay, you nak buat macam ni ke? Pergi sini, copy, lepas tu you highlight, lepas tu you paste. Nak buat macam ni ke? Tak perlu. Okay, tak perlu. So what you have to do? You just have to press Monday. Okay, Monday, and then you have to drag. Okay, how you going to drag? You just have to shift. Alah. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to control, and then you drag. You dapat all Monday. Okay, kalau you letak Monday, and then you drag. Kalau buat macam ni, you dapat weekly. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tapi saya nak Monday sahaja. Okay, so how you going to do? You just have to type Monday. Okay, and then you tekan control, and then you drag. So you will get all Monday. Same goes to number. Alah, dia ada tekan. Okay, untuk number, you just have to drag. You no need to hold the control. If you hold the control, then it's changed to the following number. See? Okay. So it's just opposite. Opposite. Kalau Monday, okay, you just kalau letak Monday, you drag, dia tukar. Nombor, you letak nombor 1, you just drag, dia tak tukar. Dia tak tukar. Tapi kalau Monday, you control and then you drag, dia tak tukar. And nombor, okay, you control and drag, dia tukar. Faham? Faham semua? You can try.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you. You can try, huh? Okay, so the dragging ni bukan saja untuk column, also we can do it for row. Okay. Monday. Okay, this is for the row. Number 1, control. This is for the row. Okay, so this is basically dragging. Okay, autofill. We call as autofill. Let's see the next one.
Sorry, Miss Priya.
Yes.
I want to ask you. Miss Priya, I know for the text and number, if we combine in one cell, we cannot use the drag function, right? The autofill one, because it's not working. So is there any way?
Yes.
Because
that is called flash fill. We're going to learn about flash fill. Kalau satu column, okay, dalam satu cell tu, kita ada nombor and kita ada alphabet. Okay, dia tak we cannot identify, kan? So macam mana kita nak separated dia? Kita nak nombor sahaja. Macam mana kita nak buat? Yang tu kita buat flash fill. Okay? Siapa yang tanya? Syarif. Syarif. Oh, very good, Syarif. Okay. Right on time, huh? Okay, let me share this. Okay, see? Yang Syari tanya tu tadi adalah flash fill. Okay, kalau kita ada simbol, kita ada perkataan, kita ada nombor, macam mana kita nak buat separated Takkanlah kita pergi copy and paste, banyak data yang kita ada ni. Macam mana kita boleh gunakan flash fill. Okay, so what flash fill do? Flash fill out the information in the sheet by using predictive technology. Okay, dia predict. So kita kena set dia pattern. Then dia buat dia sendiri. Okay, extract data and transform it into match case sensitive patterns like address, names, email. Kita ada semuanya dalam satu kolom. Dia ada email, dia ada address dia, dia ada phone number dia. So kita nak yang phone number dia saja. Macam mana? Okay, ataupun kita nak email ID saja. Macam mana? Okay, kita belajar. Okay, kita belajar. Let me show you. Okay, everyone can go to yang Excel file yang saya share tu. Everybody can go to Excel file that I share. Excel training. Okay, Excel training intermediate. Please go there. And then go to the second sheet, Flash. Okay, Flash. Nampak tu? Semua dah nampak file? Okay, kalau dah nampak tu, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Kalau tak nampak, please thumbs down so that I can help you. Tak nampak, thumbs down. Okay, very good. Very good. Everyone can already find that. Okay. And then now, macam Syari tanya tu, okay, macam mana kita nak, kita nak satu data je. Okay, kita nak buat yang ni saja. Macam mana? Sebab yang ni semua dah campur-campur. Saya nak dia punya first name saja. Saya nak nombor rumah dia saja. Okay, tengok saya buat. Yang ini kita padam. Okay, semua padam yang tu. Okay. So, just go first name, and then you letak nama dia mana? Nama dia adalah Ahmad Ibrahim. Ahmad adalah dia punya first name. Okay, AHMAD. Okay, semua type. AHMAD, type. And then go to the second one. Okay, just enter. Enter, lepas dah type Ahmad tu, enter. Enter tu, dia punya cell turun bawah kan? Okay, and then you letak Control E. Control E. Dapat? Semua dapat? Dapat semua? Okay, I will do the last name. I do the last name. Okay, last name adalah Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim. Okay, enter. Enter. And then you letak Control E. Kan amazing kan Melissa? Lagi ada banyak lagi amazing. Banyak amazing lagi. Okay, so we will know the last name. Okay, now kita nak buat initial short name. Initial short name saya nak AI sahaja sebab saya nak buat macam what you call tracking easy for me to tracking. Saya nak letak nombor, saya tak nak nama panjang-panjang. Saya nak nama pendek. Okay, short initial. Okay, untuk first one saya nak letak AI. Huruf besar huruf kecil pun boleh lah. Tapi macam mana you bagi, macam tu lah dia bagi respon. Okay, kalau you letak short, capital letter low, then it's just come out with the same one. Okay, now I letak AI. Okay, and then enter. Control E. Apa dah jadi? Apa dah jadi? Dia tak ikut pun. Dia macam-macam je. Kenapa? Kenapa? Any idea? Excel ni crazy lah. Dia macam-macam dia buat. Ya ke? Okay, I told you right. Okay, flash fill ni dia akan tengok pattern. Macam mana kita, sebab dia sekarang dia ingat, Excel ingat kita nak A, okay, dengan kita nak yang ni. I. Kita nak yang duration apa yang dekat-dekat ni. So the next one dia kata N A P. Dia pergi N A P. Okay, dia macam dia tak tahu apa pattern yang you nak. You tengok sini R K A J. R K A J. So dia first dia ingat kita letak AI kan? AI. Lepas tu yang kedua tu dia ingat kita nak 3. So N A P. Dia bagi 3. Yang lepas tu dia bagi 4. R K J A J. Dia bagi 4. So dia ingat, Excel ingat kita nak yang capital letter yang pertama dengan kedua. Yang ni pertama, kedua dan ketiga. Dekat sini pertama, kedua, ketiga dan keempat. Dia ingat macam tu. So kita kena bagi tahu dia apa pattern yang kita nak. Okay, how we going to say? Kita nak bagi pattern. Okay, AI kita dah buat kan? Okay, pergi kat sini. Okay, you letak N A. And then, tengok. Semua dapat? Everyone got it? Siapa yang tak dapat? Okay, ada yang kata tak dapat. Okay? Okay, yes, correct. Okay, you see ya, I'll go back again. Saya delete. Okay, sekarang saya nak initial kan? Initial. Okay. Initial. So, saya nak AI sahaja. AI Okay. So, saya letak AI. Okay. Saya turun bawah. Kalau saya letak Control E, dia tukar jadi macam ni. Okay. Sebab dia tak find out the pattern. So, apa yang kita kena buat? Kita kena bagi dia satu lagi example. Okay, kita kena bagi dia satu lagi example so that the Excel will find out the pattern. Okay, so kita letak N A. Kan, kita nak short name dia kan, N A. Okay, N A. Lepas tu you enter. Okay, sekarang you letak Control E. Sekarang kita dah dapat initial sebab dia dah tahu okay apa pattern yang kita nak. Boleh? Semua boleh? Yang ni kita panggil sebagai flash fill. Flash fill. Okay. Fadzila boleh? Yat boleh? Okay, good. Okay, now, yang ni okay lah. Okay, senang kan? Okay, pertama, kedua, lepas tu yang ni AI, yang ni senang. Tapi macam mana dengan email? Email ni tak ada lah dalam box ni, email tak ada pun, kan? Macam mana nak buat email Any idea? Tengok dekat apa-apa data yang kita ada kat sini, kita dapat daripada box ni. Okay, kita dapat daripada sumber-sumber ni source, from this source. But email, they don't have email here. So how you can come out with the email? Okay, so let me show you how we can come out with the email. Okay. PUR. Okay, you enter next and then Control E. Saya dapat macam ni? Macam mana? Cari boleh ajar tak? Fauzia? Macam mana?
fit the second one, fits the second row.
Yes, correct. Because dia tu dah keliru, dia tak faham pattern lagi. Dia ingat last words. Okay, so dia dah dia dah kira daripada yang bawah ni. Tengok PUR, dia turun bawah straight line, lepas tu dia bagi daripada sini. Lepas tu dia turun straight line, dia bagi daripada sini. Dia turun the straight line, dia bagi LAN. Daripada sini. Okay, so dia tak faham pattern. So what you have to do, you kena bagi dia lagi satu pattern. Okay, lagi satu pattern, last word kat sini, GOR. Okay, GOR. Enter. Dah dapat. MACD untuk saya. MACD untuk saya. Okay, so I believe that everyone got this. Okay, so please do it for this one. Product code, yang first ni adalah product code. Okay, ini adalah product detail. The first one, 1 to 2 is product code. Product serial number is this one. And assembly code is ASX. Please do it. Very easy. Okay, just like this, you boleh buat. Come on, everyone try. Try. Kalau siapa-siapa yang tak dapat tu, okay, jangan malu Okay, jangan malu. Dalam learning ni kita tak boleh nak malu. Kita tak kisahlah kita ni apa. Okay, kita tak faham, you have to raise up. Okay, just letak thumbs down. So I akan tahu, saya akan tunjuk lagi. Siapa-siapa yang tak dapat yang last nombor tu, last 3 words tu, yang tak dapat thumbs down. So that I will show again. Kalau kita show lagi kan. So siapa yang dah tahu tu dia rasa macam saya dah tahu ni lah. So dia tak pay attention. So kalau tak tahu lagi, kita tak boleh nak tinggalkan mereka kan. So thumbs down so that I will teach again. I will show again. Yay. We have taken too much of time, but I observe some groups you don't aware what is the activity. The activity file is already shared. Activity 1, 2 and 3. These are the activity for today's session. So I don't know how many groups because I didn't enter group 3, 4 and 5. I entered 1 and 2 and then we have some technical issues. It's okay. We will look into the questions now and I would like to asking for your response to respond me. Okay, let me share. Okay, so this is the activity. Okay, form a group of participants and then you've already done that. And then activity 1, add 3 commands by using quick access toolbar. So first you have to key in the information here, okay, into the Excel sheet. Okay, so all these are the 5 data that I give. So first you have to key in this in the Excel sheet. And then you have to add 3 commands by using the access toolbar, quick access toolbar. And then you have to set the quick access toolbar below the ribbon, which I've already shown you. Key in the below database using the autofill series. Okay, autofill series is, for example, the delivery status or the delivery date. Okay, so you can use the autofill series. And then you have to use the flash fill setting by 2 patterns. Okay, from the data that you have already keyed in, you have to come out with 2 patterns. And then you have to create 1 custom list for the flash fill. Okay, so you have to create, so these are the activity. that I want you to do in a group. Anybody have done this, or anybody at least done the first one? Already key in the data and then you already set the toolbar. Anybody? Nobody? Okay. All right. Okay, so that is if we have time tomorrow, so we will do this activity again, because tomorrow I only plan for 2 activity. Today is 3 activity. We're supposed to get into module number 2 now. Okay, function and formulas. Okay, so we do it this. You already have this. Okay, already you have this. If you have time, you do this, so you can present this tomorrow, or we have time tomorrow, we do this again to present. So now we go to the module number 2. Okay, so module number 2 is many of you asking about the function, about the formulas. Okay, so this is what we're going to learn in module number 2, introduction to function and formulas. Okay, so to work with this, you can refer to the Excel sheet that I shared. Okay, Excel training intermediate. You can look into formulas, functions and formulas sheet. Okay, so now I would like to go on with these slides. So function and formulas, many of us thinks that we can only use Excel for setting the formulas, the function, so that is very easy for us to work on its own. Okay, we just have to key in and then we have to set the formulas so it can work on its own. Okay, so in that, okay, not Excel, I mean setting a formula not only for the numbers, you have to remember that we can do many things in this setting formulas, okay, and formats. So when you see here the formula bar, where you can find the formula bar in the Excel sheet. Okay, in the Excel sheet, if you cannot see the formula bar, you have to view here. Okay, let me show you the Excel sheet. Okay, the Excel sheet, this is formula bar. Okay, function and formulas, we are here. Please go to this sheet, function and formulas, and then if you go up here, this is the formula bar. If you cannot find this formula bar, okay, if you cannot find, then go to view. Here the formula bar is already here, so if you don't have it here, then it must be activate here. Okay, so now it's not activated because you already have the formula bar here. Okay, see, if you don't want, you just can take off. Okay, if you want, you can click here, so you can find the formula bars here. Everyone can find the formula bars? Thumbs up. Come on, respond to me. I feel like I'm losing you all with the activity. Come on, come back. Okay, so if you cannot find the formula bar here, please go to view and also go to formula bar so that you can have the formula bar here. Okay, so this is formula bar. This is very, very important when we are doing any formulas or the functions. Okay, then the next one is you can find the expansion. Okay, formula bar ni kalau you rasa yang ni sempit sangat, okay, sempit, kita boleh bagi dia besar sikit. Okay, you just have to go here. Okay, bring your cursor to this arrow. Okay, bring your cursor to this arrow here, and you can extend. You can extend the formula bar. Sebab masa kita buat banyak benda tu, we need space. Okay, we can extend that. And if you wanted to find any formulas, you can go and click here. Okay, so these are the functions that you can use. Okay, so we will go and see what is this. Okay. So to doing a function, okay, you can refer to the slides. I am going to share here now. Okay, to insert formulas in worksheet, inserting formulas manually. Okay, manually, what is mean by, just now I say the formula bar, right? Okay, you go and type, okay, type everything manually. So that is inserting formulas manually. Or you can do inserting formulas by pointing. Inserting formulas by pointing. Okay, I will show these two methods when we get back to Excel. Let's go to see this. Understanding operation. Okay, so you have to basic things. You know mathematics, you know this plus, minus, and then this sign for multiplication, and then this is for division, and this is for the percentage. Okay, so this is just a basic one. Operation for comparison. Sometimes when we compare, okay, when we compare two cells, okay, or more than that, or below than that, or more and equal, below and equal, and not equal. Okay, when we are comparing two cells or two data or two columns, we can apply this operation. Okay. Okay, operator text option, it is the ampersand symbol. Okay, so this is ampersand symbol. Okay, is used when combining two or more different texts in different cells to give one text or sentence. Okay, example, you wanted to do a combination, okay, A32 and then you give a space and B31. Okay, so this one is called as concatenation. Concatenation we will learn later. So now let's get back to our Excel sheet. Okay. So I wanted to show you how to key in data manually. Okay, manually and also by pointing. Okay, now I want to do a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so now I wanted to do a addition. Okay, addition with two numbers. Okay, so I wanted to know the shipment invoices for shipment services for week 1 and week 2. Week 1 and week 2. So what I do, I go to function. Okay, addition, go to the function, and then you always have to start with the equal sign. When you press the equal sign, that means you activate the formulas. Okay, the equal sign is activating the formulas. If without this is just a normal cell. Okay, there's no formula, so you just activate with this. And then now I wanted to add 25 and 15 because I wanted to know the invoices for shipment and services on Monday for week 1 and week 2. Monday, week 1 and week 2. So what I have to do, 25 is what cell? It's B33. Okay, B33. Okay, and then I wanted to add with C33. C33 and enter. So I got the answer here for addition. Subtraction, multiplication, division, it's all same. Okay, so we just have to, just now I show the manual. Now I'm going to use the pointing method. Okay, subtraction, where I want the pickup time. Okay, take away with delivery. I want to see what's the balance. Okay, I'm repeating. I wanted to do the subtraction point now. Okay, I wanted to check on Monday, pickup is 102, delivery is 74. I wanted to see what is the balance. So we go here. Okay, we activate the cell for formula, and then I'm going to use the pointing method. Okay, and then you have to manually do the subtraction, and then another cell and enter. So this is subtraction. Multiplication and division is the same. Okay, I believe that you know, because we have more important things to go. So we go on. Now here, okay, we wanted to set Monday pickup and delivery. I wanted to see whether it's equal or not. By looking at these two data, of course, you know that, of course, it's equal. Of course, this is bigger. Of course, this is smaller, you know. But I'm talking about many data. If you have a big data, you cannot see in one screen, then the formula will be useful for you. Okay, now just for the example, I put it as simple so that we no need to go and looking into the data. Can everyone hear me? Come on. Yes, okay. Now equal to, okay, so what we have to do, we just have to use, because the manual keying that will take time, so we go for pointing method. Okay, equals to A9. This is an example. A9 and B9 is example. You just have to focus here. You just have to focus here. After we activate the cell, then you cannot click anywhere. Okay, so Monday equal to, we wanted to see whether the pickup and delivery is equal or not. Okay, the result always will become true or false. Okay, let's see here. Is not equal, right? Pickup and delivery on Monday is not equal. So the answer will be false. Now, greater than is 88. I mean, the pickup is greater than what you call delivery. Let's see here. Equals to greater than delivery. Also false. Okay, I'm repeating again. Of course, by looking into this number, you will know whether it's greater or it's lesser or it's equal, you know. But if you have many data, okay, you have many columns, many rows, then this will be helpful. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, less than. The same process. Please keep doing. Okay, you also practice in your the sheet that I've already shared. Please practice. Lesser than. Okay, true. The answer is true. Now, greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. False. Okay, it's not greater and it is not equal. Less than, equal to. Less than, equal to. Enter. True. Okay, it's lesser and it's not equal. Okay, on Saturday, it's not equal. So we wanted to see is equal or not equal. So you just have to go false. So this is the answer you're supposed to get. Please check. Okay, please check. Let's go. If you follow me, please come to the chat box. Okay, give me some sign that you cannot follow me. But I'm very sure this is very easy. You can go on, because this is the methods where we are going for the major part. Okay, if you are not following here, you are not listening, when we are going for concatenation, okay, concatenation, or we are going for here, then you find it a bit difficult because you're not following. Okay, so please follow me. Okay, here total pickup is equal to delivery in a week. So to find out that, you have to come out with the total first. So how you are going to come out with the total? Of course, you already know. We have to activate the cell, and then we have to come out with sum. So you just have to press SU, then this formula will come out. You just have to double click. Okay, double click of pickup. Enter. So this is the total of the pickup on this week. Okay, same goes to delivery. Go to the formula bar, activate the cell, sum. Alah, hitam lagi. Okay, I'm repeating now. But why this thing is black? Okay, see here. Okay, you have to go to the formula bar. Okay, you just have to activate the cell by putting the symbol, the equal symbol, and then you have to just type S U M. Kenapa jadi hitam Tadi pun sama
Do you have a pop-up screen going on, Priya?
Yeah. You can see my screen. It's like this. I can see
Yeah.
here.
Like, is there anything pop up? Is there any other screen pop up there in front of
No.
your Excel? No. Okay.
No, only this.
Hmm.
No any interruption. Okay, if you can see from here, please see. Okay, you just have to go to sum, double click. Okay, only when you double click the sum, then that will be activate. And then you just have to bring your cursor to the delivery, and then you highlight all the delivery because you want the sum, you want the total. And then you enter. Okay, so when you enter, you will get the total delivery for the week. Okay, then we can go and do this one. Okay, maybe I can try with the manual, since the popping thing is coming out. Okay, when you look here, total pickup is equal to delivery in a week. So how we're going to do? We wanted to see total pickup is equal to the delivery. This is the total pickup and this is the delivery. Is that equal? So let's go and do manually. Okay, because the popping thing is interrupting. Okay, so activate the cell. You have to put the equal sign to activate, and then you have to choose pickup B15. Okay, pickup, total pickup is B15, and then equal, you have to put the equal signature. Okay, and then equal to delivery in a week. Delivery. Okay, delivery. Enter. It's false because delivery is more. I'm repeating. Of course, by looking into two numbers, you easily can know this is greater, this is lesser, this is equal. But if you have more data, then this one will be very much helpful. Okay, so total pickup is greater than delivery, total pickup. So do the same. Everybody, please do the same. Total pickup is greater than delivery. Enter. Pause. Now we see total pickup lesser than delivery. Total pickup you press here. Oh. Saya dah delete dia tu. Okay, to get the sum. Okay, total pickup. You go here, equal signature. Total pickup is lesser than delivery. Enter. True. Okay, keep doing, everybody keep doing. Total pickup is greater or equal. Okay, total pickup, go to the formula bar, activate the cell. Total pickup is greater or equal to delivery. Enter. False. Next, go on. Total pickup is lesser or equal. Total pickup. Okay, go to the formula bar, activate the cell. Total pickup is lesser, equal to delivery. Please check whether you got right answer or not. Okay, total pickup not equal. So go to the bar, activate the cell. Total pickup not equal. Okay, not equal is here. Okay, not equal to delivery. Enter. So check whether you are getting the right answer. Okay, so that is the easy part. Okay, and then the multiplication is just you have to understand the symbols. Okay, the signs for multiplication, for division. Okay, yes, Fauzia, you have any question? Fauzia, raise your hand.
No, I'm can.
Ah, yeah, excited nak jawab ni. Alah. Okay, so this is the easiest one. But when you dealing with the big data, this part also very difficult one, you know, because you have to correctly choose you have to pointing and all. Okay, now the concatenation. You see that? Concatenation. What is concatenation? I think Syaril will be excited. Because Syaril tadi dia tanya macam mana nak separate kan. Okay, we already have everything like in one cell. Kita kena separate dia. Yang tu we choose flash fill, right? To separate. Now, you see here, recipient's name, unit, house number, street and the street number, the area, the postal code, city, state, semuanya dah separated. Macam mana kita nak satukan? Complete address. How are we going to have the complete address? Yang ni bukan saja kita pakai untuk address, we can use for many functions. Okay, when you have a separated one and you want everything in one as a one cell in one column or in one cell, okay, so we can use this method, concatenation. Okay, so what is that method? Let me share with you the slides. Hola, yes. Okay, so in this one, okay, you see the first one in the sales, Hola nak cakap apa apa yang you boleh
Okay, for this one, actually my name is Trisha. Okay, this one I based on your chart, right? This is the data you give me. So based on this data, if let's say I use the insert, and then for the chart I created is this, but actually I prefer what I did actually is this one. This is actually I reorganized the data. Okay, so I based on the because for me I want to see January, February, March, and April, May. So this is the what chart I wanted. This is what I did.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So this chart where is come with the line and also with the bar, isn't it?
Yes.
So
yes.
why you preferring this chart?
Okay, for first thing, let's say you want to see the number, so I will see this first chart first because everything the data all the data in here. But let's say I want to see whether this which product is growing, okay, then I can see the line chart.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
So yes, thank you, Trisha.
Okay.
A very glamour name, you know, Trisha. All right. Okay, anyone else? Trisha done a good job. Okay. Anyone else with the given data you have come out, you try with some chart. It's okay. It's okay if you have like the chart, but you don't know the chart is telling about what, because you're only choosing the data and then you choose the data, the chart will come out, but you don't know how to interpret the chart. Okay, it's okay. Just share here. We can interpret together. Okay, just share. Anybody? Anybody? Mr. Jensen is here today. No one want to share? Okay, ada. Siapa? Elisa.
For
Wow.
me, just
Map.
merge this side. I just merge like this. Then I just create. I feel like these two is more relevant lah. I'm not so sure about this. This one is looks the most relevant. So I
Yes,
did.
yes. Because the tree map is to see how big is the for example, now this is about the sale. So it's like for me, look at it, smartphone is a lot, and then laptop is a little bit, and then table is a little bit. And then for April, so we can compare and then we can see the sizes. When you're looking into the March, you see the tablet is very smaller, and then so that's how it is actually work. It can be also good, but if you want like point form, macam Trisha cakap tadi, okay, as Trisha said, I want to see the number, then tree map is not the right. So you wanted to see the number perfectly, and then I want to see what range is that, then maybe tree map. Tree map is like very general for the visualization of how big, okay, how big is my sale on this month. Sale saya dekat smartphone banyak. Just I don't want to see numbers. So that is for tree map. Well done, well done. Thank you. Thank you, Melissa. Thank you. Well done. Macam mana dengan Farahin, Wani, Fauzia, Fazila? Want to share? Anybody else want to share? Okay. You see, chart is everything is as per your preference. Okay, there's no like this chart is right. No. Okay, when you're creating the chart, then when you're presenting, okay, for example, you already create the chart and then you're presenting. Then someone is asking you a question. Okay, what about this the sales compared to last year and then this year, last year February and this year, how many unit have increased, how many unit have increased? So when comes this types of question, like specific question, then I'll find out, oh, from these charts actually I cannot find the detail, which means that is not the relevant, very much relevant to your data or to your preference or the objective. Because for when you're talking about the sales, okay, to the sales manager, maybe you have to present different chart. Okay, for internal use, you maybe choose different chart. Okay, so every chart there is a uniqueness where when you are using it and you are practicing it, then you'll find out that okay, which chart actually we can go for it. Okay, but basically kalau kita ada data, of course we can come out with the chart. Okay, any charts. Right. Okay, so Let me share. Okay, let me share. Okay, so I continue with this. This is the, so when you come out with your chart, you have seen the grid, okay, the plot, the legend. Okay, so that's the elements that you no need to do it manually. Okay, you no need to do manually. Everything will come out. Okay, you just have to know what is the name of the elements. Okay, all right. So let's go on this. Okay, chart styles near. You can change the chart style. Okay, the location, and then you can you can change the mode of display. Okay, um, so this is just what you call a short way of doing it. Okay, so change the chart type, select your chart. Okay, you have to select all your chart and then go to the chart design or design tab, click on the chart change chart type button, choose the desired chart type from the option. Okay, you see here. Okay, you just have to go to for example, I use this. Okay, so this is the line chart. Okay, so I wanted to change some designs. Okay, so we have many types where you just have to see. Okay, so which one you wanted to, which design that you wanted to do. Even you can change the color. Okay, the color, the grid line. Okay, the axis line. Okay, so all this is the type. Okay, that's what we have it here. Okay, in here. So let me try with the other one, the other type. Okay, so change the colors, the light colors. Design. Okay, so when you select the chart, you just have to go to design, and then you, if you wanted to make any chart or you wanted to try with something else. Okay, so this is sunburst. You see, when I click sunburst, actually sunburst tu dia tak macam ni tau. Okay, dia ada, it's like this. Okay, this is sunburst. Okay, we should have the additional information. Then you can see the pop-up. Okay, you must have the additional information. Then only you can see the pop-up. Or else, you see, the one that I have now, this one will never pop up because not enough of information here. Because this is not the right one. This is not the right one. Okay, sometimes if it is not responding, then it's not the right one. You see, this is a radar chart. Radar chart. Jan, Feb, March, April. So you see how the sales go and down, go and down. Okay, but of course from here we can visualize. Okay, we know that, okay, it's like that is like, you know, moving, but this is not the right one. Okay, you see, this is waterfall. Okay, when I click this, you see, actually it's not supposed to be like this. Waterfall is, we have two, up and down. We have two contradicting. But here we don't have. Here we don't have the data. So that's why it's not working. There's no contradicting here. So this is how you actually choose your type. Okay, and you design your type. All right. Okay, you see here 3D charts, enhanced 3D chart. Yes, sometimes 3D charts, yeah, it works. Okay, but depends on which version, Excel version that you have. Okay, when you have Excel version 2016, 3D is not much is working. Okay, 2019, yes, I think many of us is using 2019. Okay. Okay, many of us we are using 2019. So when we are using 2019, yes, we can see the 3Ds, but 3D is, you need more data. Okay, you have sufficient data, then 3D works. Okay, when we are working with these charts, okay, where by copying and pasting, okay, and also like when we go for printing, okay, everything is like Excel, where we set about the printing pages, okay, and then copying, okay, when we wanted to paste. Sometimes when you have this, you make changes here, okay, you make changes here, the charts will change. Okay, the charts will change, so the changes need to be done here. For example, now I put here 200. See, 200, 200, the chart change. Okay, so that's how actually it's work. Okay, chart is not a very difficult one. Okay, it's not like setting a formula or what. Okay, it's just whatever information that you have, you can convert that to chart. But what type of chart, that you have to find out based on the data that you have. Okay, if you want to do a comparison, here you see now the chart, that the data that I have, there's no comparison. No comparison. So if you wanted to choose a bar chart, it's not going to work. Okay, only you can see, if you choose the bar chart, that you can see one bar, and then it shows that coming up and down. That's all. That which can use by line too. Okay, so that's all about chart. Okay, any questions? Okay, so this is a big map app. Okay, where it's actually what you call the Excel level, where we include that location. Okay, because just now for the Excel, kita buat sheet kan. Okay, from this sheet, and then we connected with another sheet. Okay, even for chart you can do that, but that one is the what you call the advanced level. Okay, but very basic thing. I think many of you, when you are doing chart, you well versed on that. Okay, whatever that you have, I'm very sure that you know about it. Okay, so any questions about charts? Any questions? No questions? Okay, all right. Let's see. Melissa, now I'm coming to you. Let's go and find custom view. Okay, I find out what. Kalau kita buat tu tak dapat, then when we find out, we find, oh no, that's very very macam tu kan. Okay, so I'm in the same feeling. Let me show you. But but I was thinking just now, even to me, to myself also, why it was like that. Okay, that one is the other one. I will find out that later. But now, let's do this. Okay, why this one is very important? Because sometimes when you're presenting or you're showing something, you don't wanted to show everybody whatever that you have. Okay, you wanted to customize. Okay, untuk saya kerja saya nak semua. Tapi untuk different person, maybe I don't want them to see this. Okay, so that's the purpose of custom view. You are making the view custom. Okay, now this is for me. Okay, this is for me. I wanted to set where view, custom view, add. This one for me. Okay, I set. Now for Arjun, I want him to see his scoring and his teamwork scoring and overall feedback only. I don't want Arjun to see Nikita's and Shikin. So what I want to do, I need to right click, hide. Hide, bukan delete, hide. Now I go custom view. I add. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Okay, me is this. For Arjun is this. Siapa tak dapat? Just I missed the hide. Bukan what do you call deleting, hiding. Okay, can you do that for ulang balik? Boleh. Okay, so what we do, we go to custom view. Okay, I go to me. I go to me. Okay, first I delete. I go to me first. Okay, show. Okay, this is the data that I have. Okay, let me delete and then I show you again. Okay, I delete. This is how you delete. Okay. Okay, delete. I want to show you again. Okay, this one I wanted to view. Okay, I wanted to view. So what I do, I go to custom view and then I add. I wanted to put me. This one for myself. Okay, so now for Arjun, I want only for him to see his scoring. I don't want him to see Nikita and Shikin's scoring. So what I do, I have to do the whatever that I done earlier is correct. Only that I delete. I didn't hide. I have to hide because why? I will tell you why. Because after we hide, okay, masa you pergi custom view and then you add. Okay, sekarang saya nak, yang ni untuk Arjun saja. So saya nak Arjun tengok. Dekat sini tengok include in view. Okay, print setting and hidden rows, columns and filter setting. So hidden thing is here. Okay, I already said okay. You don't need to go and tick anything. Just change the name and then okay. Now we go to custom view. Okay, now I want to see for myself, me. Okay, show. This is for me. Custom view for Arjun. Show. This is for Arjun. So can you do this for Shikin and also for lagi satu Nikita? Can you do this? Please do it for Shikin and Nikita. Untuk Nikita tengok saja, untuk Shikin tengok saja. So masa Nikita tengok, Arjun dengan Shikin tak ada. Masa Shikin tengok, Arjun dengan Nikita tak ada. So please do it. And please share with me. I stop sharing, huh? I really hope you can share with me. Yet dapat tak? Yay. Okay, siapa tak dapat? Trisha dapat tak?
Yes, I got it.
Alright.
But this is, I don't think this is practical, you know, because if let's say you got 20 people, how you do it? 20 is still okay. If 200 people, then how you do it?
No, you see, there's a very big data, and then we are hiding the columns as per, for example, different department, and then different marketing department. We want to hide something that they don't want we don't want them to see. But
Okay.
when we are preparing, we need the data to manipulate other data, but we don't want them to see. So
If let's say, let's say I'm saying that just how you say got the Nikita. Let's say Nikita. So I need to save one. I done everything already. Then I need to share this file to the Nakita. So is it I need to rename this file as Nakita or what? Or I can send the original file.
Oh, to send.
Let's say I done everything done already. Then I need to send to the particular people. Then how I going to send?
This one is not to sending. This one is to presenting. When we are preparing one that we wanted to present, we wanted to show the data. So in the Excel format, we wanted to present, so that we have to we can choose this way, not to emailing. When emailing, yeah, when emailing, then you have to put the password to lock the screen.
Oh, okay. Like not really practical.
Okay, anybody want to show? Yes, Fadzila, yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes, correct. Correct. Even we also can hide this detail. Yes, myself. Even masa kita buat tu, okay, we even can hide this. For example, now I'm doing for Shikina. So what I do, I hide this. I don't want them to see. Okay, hide. And then I just hide. Yang ni untuk Nikita. Okay, hide. Okay, this is for Nikita. Custom. Add. Okay, so Nikita will be like this. So why I'm showing this, because not only the row, the column, anything we can delete. So we can custom make for what like what Trisha said, that when look at it, because kita nak buat present, okay, at the time kita pergi custom view, and then we choose, okay, only Nikita can see, only Arjun can see. Okay, so this is for example, it is not become very practical. Kita tak banyak guna ni, okay. Tetapi I have the experience where when we are doing performance evaluation, okay, you are supervisor for the organization. That's why I come out with that this example, where when you are evaluating and then getting the employees feedback, when you are doing KPI, because KPI can, we have to evaluate ourselves, and then our teammate have to evaluate, and then our subordinate have to evaluate. Kita ada beberapa method kan. Okay, so I come out with this, and then ada banyak, okay, banyak. So I don't wanted to go and separately do them different sheet. So I just key in everything, okay, but I make it custom. Okay, for one, now I just make little bit of it, okay, little bit of it. But many tu kita rasa lagi we can really work on it. Okay, so many employees, we only have performance evaluation, same sheet, and then when we are discussing with them, maybe this one to refer, for us to refer. Okay, maybe we are not showing them, but when go and click there, okay, so now I'm only going to talk about this. I'm only going to talk about Nikita. Nikita, your scoring is like this. Okay, your supervisor give you this scoring. Okay, kalau kita ada banyak tu, maybe kita tertengok ke, so there is many errors can happen. So now we custom made. Only when Nikita comes, I only open Nikita's one, and then all the details. Okay, any feedback, apa-apa yang dia buat salah, misconduct dia, poor performance dia, semuanya ada dalam ni. So masa saya nak bercakap dengan Nikita tu, I just buka Nikita's one, and then I can have everything. Then bila dia datang lambat, apa yang dia buat. Okay, this is, I'm talking about performance evaluation of an employee. Okay, this is an example, so that we can talk about it. So this can be like our personal reference, or people's into of presentation you wanted to show data, also can use this. Okay, can? Alright. Okay, so we have done. So we have done our 2 days training of Excel intermediate level. Okay, so I really hope that you have learned. Okay, in Excel ni memang kita selalu guna Excel. Okay, in terms of key in data, save data. Okay, kita nak store data. Yeah, of course we use Excel, but by knowing some tips, you know, some tricks, and then some additional skills, we can do it much more better and save time. That is the only reason. So only reason of this training is we want you to learn the skill, and then to make things better, and to move on. Okay, to move on. When you are knowing this, then move on to the next level. Okay, already this. What is the next one? Okay, so that to make it things easier. Okay, so we have completed our mission of this training, where you learn about formula, you learn about format, you learn about new things. Okay, even sometimes you are practicing, maybe you find some shortcuts. Okay, I really wish that in these 2 days, if I am being rude to you, or if I'm being like, dia ni panggil saja saya, kenapa ni, please be I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So it's just I just wanted to make sure, because this is, you know, online, right? Online I cannot see you, and you know, I don't know, I just wanted to get your attraction and attention. Okay, so that is my only purpose. So if I hurt you or anything, please forgive me. Okay, thank you so much to be with me for these 2 days. I hope that I meet your expectation, because when I'm asking on the first day, many of you say that you wanted to improve your skill, you wanted to know more, and then you wanted to apply that when you are practicing it. So I strongly believe that I meet the expectation, your expectation, and thank you so much. If you wanted to stay connected, yes, you can connect me with me in the LinkedIn. Okay, I'm in LinkedIn. All right. Thank you so much.